Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are replacing a steering rack on the Toyota Prius 2016. So we have had lots of knocking noise from the car when going through the bumps. We have done lots of investigations, replaced the suspension arm, replaced the drop rings, replaced the Jeep bushes. We have changed them as well, and we couldn't until finally we found the noise was coming from suspension, from the steering rack. So there are bushes, there are rubber bushes here which are worn out, allowing the shaft in the steering to move sideways and create producing a hammer noise. So we decided to buy a brand new one steering rack, which are going to change. Now to take the steering out from underneath the car, that's what the trick is, and this video I'm just going to show you what I've done. So what I've done is I have removed the screws for the mounting on the right hand side of the car. Thereafter I've just jacked up the car up, I've jacked up the engine. So the engine is on a jack. I've jacked up the engine, and that left me sufficient space for me to push out the steering rack down there, and the steering rack is now out. So generally, the trick to taking out the steering rack is to lift the engine up, and that should give you sufficient space for you to pull out the steering rack. And this is what I've done.